Welcome to this tutorial on how to efficiently search for your sent forms in Google Drive using your PC. With the recent updates, Google Drive has made it easier than ever to find exactly what you need. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. This will take you directly to your Google Drive where all your files and forms are stored. Once you're in Google Drive, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Here, you'll notice an icon that looks like a funnel or filter. This is the advanced search icon. Click on this icon to access more specific search options. Now, you will see various filters that can help narrow down your search results. From the options available, locate the Type drop-down menu. Click on it and select Forms. This filter will ensure that only forms appear in your search results, making it much easier to find what you're looking for. Next, let's refine our search even further. Look for another drop-down labeled Owner. Click on this and choose Owned by Me. This step is crucial because it limits the results to only those forms that you have created, eliminating any clutter from shared or other users' forms. After setting these filters, simply click on the search button or press Enter. You will now see a list of all the forms you own. Browse through this list to find the specific form you need. If you want to make your search even more efficient, remember that you can also use keywords related to the form's title or content in conjunction with these filters. This can significantly speed up the process if you have a large number of forms stored. In summary, searching for sent forms in Google Drive is straightforward with these steps. Open drive.google.com, click on the advanced search icon, select Forms from Type, choose Owned by Me from Owner, and finally find the forms you want. With these simple actions, you'll be able to quickly locate any form you've created without hassle. Thank you for following along. Happy searching in Google Drive.